Hi everybody, it's me, the Ukulady, and my toy accordion. This is day 2 of the accordion project. This song is called Lizard Blizzard. It's a lizard blizzard. They're really coming down. It's a lizard blizzard. They're all over the ground. It's a lizard blizzard falling from the sky. Cute little lizards, let's make a lizard stir fry. You bring the broccoli, I've got the wok. Talk about teamwork, we could open a shop.